Hi everyone, I'm Alex from the Dynotest team, and today I'll show you how to install, activate, and use our device on a Jaguar car. Let's dive in. There are 4 different modes available, and you can easily switch between them. Each mode is activated one after the other, and to move to the next mode, just pull high beam lever on the steering wheel 4 times. Now, let's give it a try. To enter mode 1, pull high beam lever on the steering wheel 4 times. The hazard warning light will blink 1 time. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive. It means the actual mileage is recorded at 100%. To move to mode 2, pull high beam lever on the steering wheel 4 times again. The hazard warning light will blink 2 times. In mode 2, only 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. Switching to mode 3, just pull high beam lever on the steering wheel 4 times. The hazard warning light will blink 3 times. Here, only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. And finally, for mode 4, pull high beam lever on the steering wheel 4 times. You will hear a sound signal 4 times. In mode 4, the mileage block function is fully active, so 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. That's it. You're ready to use our device on your Ford Ranger car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.